Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Savita Chahar, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Government Mira Girls College, Udaipur. Today, our topic is cell. The topic cell is related to the syllabus of Unit 1st of BSc Second Year Botany, Paper 3rd. The title of paper 3rd is Cytogenetics, Plant Breeding, Evolution and Biostatistics. The branch of science which deals with the study of structure, function, molecular organization of the cell is called cell biology or cytology. Then question arises, what is cell? The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organism. The bodies of living organism are made up of microscopic units called cells. A cell is made up of life-giving substances called protoplasm. Protoplasm is usually differentiated into the nucleus and cytoplasm. The protoplasm is an aggregate of molecules of various chemicals such as water, ions, salt and organic molecules. Organic molecules of protoplasm are protein, carbohydrates, fats and nucleic acid like DNA and RNA. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered and named the cell in cork cells. All kinds of true cells share the following three basic characteristics. Number 1, they contain a set of genes or nuclear material. Second, they contain a limiting membrane. Third, they contain their own metabolic machinery. A single cell may constitute a whole organism. Such organisms are called unicellular organism. Example, bacteria, amoeba, chlamydomonas. The bodies of higher plants and animals are made up of cells packed together. These organisms are called multicellular organisms. According to cell theory given by Sheldon 1838 and Swan 1839, all organisms are made up of cells. Every organism starts its life as a single cell. All cells arise from pre-existing cells only. All metabolic activities takes place in cells. The cells are again divided into following two types: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells there are many differences between in prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, the genetic material is not surrounded by a double membrane, which is called nuclear membrane. While in eukaryotic cell, the genetic material is surrounded by a double membrane, which is called nuclear membrane. There are many differences between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Number 1, nucleus. A well-defined nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell, and in prokaryotic cells they lack nuclear membrane. In eukaryotic cells, A well-defined nucleus is present which is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cell, the genetic material is circular or linear, while in eukaryotic cell, the genetic material is always linear and double-stranded DNA. Nucleolus is absent in prokaryotic cell. Nucleolus is present in eukaryotic cell. All membrane-bounded cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, the cell division is completed by fission or budding, while in eukaryotic cell, mitotic and meiotic cell division are found. Two types are found.